Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified first for all my new videos. Hi my lovely viewers, welcome to Kanak's kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you a very quick cake which will get ready in just 5 minutes, and it's quite hassle free also as no baking or cooking is involved. That is 5 minutes Oreo biscuit cake. Yes guys, we'll be preparing this cake in just 5 minutes in the microwave using Oreos at home, and it will come out really spongy, moist, juicy and airy within, and I'll be frosting it with some Nutella on top. This cake can be easily prepared by kids also as no cooking is involved. So over to my kitchen. So first up, here I've got this microwave safe container which I'm going to line with a butter paper and grease it lightly all over for easy demolding. Keep this aside. Next up, in a blender, I'm going to roughly break the Oreo biscuits. Here I've taken 30 Oreos, so break them slightly and put it into the blender. And here I've taken the vanilla ones, that is the vanilla Oreos, or the white cream ones, but if you want you can also use the chocolate Oreos. Blend this into the blender just for a while or until it becomes powder out of it. So this Oreo powder is ready. So this is a fine Oreo powder which I have crushed. Transfer this into a bowl. To this Oreo powder, I am going to add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, not more, as the Oreos are also very sweet, so you can adjust accordingly. Next goes in the baking powder and mix everything really well. Now adding milk little at a time, go on mixing the batter and add the milk in batches to avoid any lumps. This will help in making a smooth batter out of it. So go on adding the milk in batches and keep mixing it to make a smooth flowing consistency batter out of it. So everything is mixed well. This is how it looks. It's quite smooth, thick flowing consistency mixture. It's not very runny or very thick also. This is the perfect consistency to prepare the cake. Transfer this into the prepared container, evening it out nicely and filling it. Once filled, tap it a bit on the kitchen platform to release all the air bubbles if any. Now this needs to go into the microwave directly, so I'm just putting this into the microwave without any kind of mode or any kind of settings, just directly keeping it on the microwave plate. Close it and microwave it for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to microwave it just for 5 minutes. Do not over microwave it, otherwise it will become hard and dry. After 5 minutes, you can check by inserting a knife or toothpick. If it comes out clean, which means it's done. If your mixture is still undone from inside, you can microwave it just for another 20 to 30 seconds. Let it cool down a bit and then we'll unmold it. For demolding it, run a knife or a butter knife around the edges to loosen it a bit. Turn it upside down onto a plate. It has come out very easily, and then slowly remove the butter paper out of it. We can see how spongy and airy this cake has come out. It's springing back, that's the sign of its sponginess. Let it cool down completely before frosting or icing it. So this is cooled enough. I'm going to simply frost it with some Nutella all over for my children. So here I'm using some Nutella on top of the cake. If you want, you can use any chocolate sauce or spread or even whipped cream to do this. Spread it evenly all over to cover the top. And if you want, you can cut this cake also into 2 sheets, that is 2 half sheets, and then do the frosting. But today I am going to put simply this Nutella over the top. Then I am going to sprinkle some choco chips on the sides. You can use any sprinkles of your choice. So I am putting just little choco chips on the sides for extra garnishing. You can see how beautiful it's looking. I'll show you from all the sides, and now I'll cut this into pieces. I'll cut and show you. You can see this texture, how moist and spongy it has come out, and it's quite airy also inside. You can see this. This is a perfect 5 minutes cake for any occasion without any kind of hassles or cooking. I'm sure your children will love this cake. So do try this lovely cake for your children and let me know how it turned out for you. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to my channel.